Dude, why is there boxes of cats? Dude, look, there's 2 in here. Yeah, look at. Hi, guys. Hi.
Dude, there's one down there.
Yeah, there's one right there too, and then there's one right there. This dude. All right, so there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Dude, wow, somebody's an asshole. They put cat food in a box. What's up, guys? Dude, what the hell? What are these guys doing here? But if I can get all 6 of them tomorrow, if I can get them all rounded up, I'll throw them all in my truck and I'll take them to Humane Society. Because they're all like super nice and playful, so they'll get adopted. Plus, I'd, rather them go to good homes than... Right. It's really shitty of somebody to do.
Quick! You're good, you're good, you're good. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. You had it, dog. Oh.
Getting pissed off now.
Oh. You get you?
Get it.
I came around this corner and I saw something with a significant profile. I had to go back and check it out or clear it. It could be a turtle. I have a very well-established history of saving turtles. I like turtles.
I'll save you. Just look at you. Oh, you're trying to get to the other side of the road? Here you go. Here you go. Okay, almost. Keep going. All right, you almost got it. There you... Oh, you're so cute. What a good rock. All right, here we go. Big step.
This morning, I wanted to try to stop and do something nice for someone else. I do like this. Hey man, how's it going? My name's Andrew. Hey, I just had a couple bottles of water and some snack bars with me. Would that be something that might help you out a little bit? All right, man. There you go. I commute with my wife sometimes to work, and I see you're out here like every morning, aren't you? Yeah, that's cool. One of those is cold if you want it now. I know it's already humid out there, but I hope that helps you out a little bit.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, what's your name?
Alan.
Alan? All right, man. It's nice to meet you. If I'm driving by, I might beep at you now and again and wave, okay? But that's just me, all right? Yeah, thanks, man. Thanks. I thought it would be easier to pull up here on the bike than in the car, so hopefully I don't get in trouble. All right, man. I hope that you have a great day, okay? It was nice to meet you, Alan.
Buyur abi geç. Hop hop hop hop hop hop. Tutun abi bana. Hop pardon. Dur arkana geçeyim ben.
Bana tutun abi.
Tamam. 1 2 3.
1
2 3.
Tamam.
Hop. Aman abi.
İyi misin?
İyi misin abi? Var mı bir şeyin?